you ever needed a good solution for a carport, that's the way to do it. And if you're wondering how I record these things, use this little gooseneck I got on Amazon. Alright, it's time once again to build myself a carport for my van to avoid all of that extra sunlight. So here's from the space. Gonna have the ground covered. Should be a little bit better for the van throughout the season. Feel free to check it out. I think I'll do it in a hyperlapse for you. Both sides are doing okay. I had to grab a ladder to get that part done. So now it's time to put on the walls. Should be fun. Right, now it's time to take these stakes and pop them into all of the different legs down the way. And then I've also got some rope to tie down on the outside, so to make it really sturdy, so it doesn't blow away. Blow away, you know what I mean, blow away. And I gotta say, I really enjoy this kit. It's got, not only does it have nice instructions, which are pretty easy, but it includes plenty of this rope for the tie downs on the tarp on the outside, and these little clamps go together with the bolts and screws that were included, and look, even a couple of wrenches. And these bungees work really great to keep that tarp secured and the sidewalls. So let's get the last of these anchors done and we'll be done. And pull in the van, and you can see just how nice it is with these extensions that were put in. So you see, here's the normal height right here. Let me see, there you go. Here's the normal height right here, where it would then go into this bottom piece. But because I have a high top van, it includes not only one but two extensions there, and as you can see, they screw together so they don't come apart. It's really nice. Alright, got the supports in on both sides, and I'd just like to mention how great it is that not only do they supply some gloves, which as you can see, the greased metal really makes it dirty, but they give you 2 pairs, you know, and what I'm doing right now isn't too greasy, but I also wanted to mention the kind of stakes that they give that you screw in for the outside, you know, to connect your rope and tie it down. This is a really nice kit. Alright, I think I'm gonna tighten everything up and pull the van in. I'm excited. There it is. About 2.5 hours to do it all by myself and have it complete. Now I'm ready to pull my van in with that 8-foot height and my high top van. It should go right in. So I'm looking forward to it. Check it out. Alright, that's what I'm calling a perfect fit. Let's take a look at what it's looking like inside of the old tarp carport. Got plenty of room to walk along the side, and even with some extended bars out the back from behind, you can definitely fit a 20-foot van inside the 10 by 20 tarp. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it.